Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Eureka Silenzio grinder. Now this grinder was brought here because it was not grinding at all. We took it completely apart. We noticed that the birds were moving freely, so it was definitely not stuck. And we had to go at the bottom of the whole grinder and check every component through here. We find out that this board was not functioning correctly and it was not sending power to the grinder itself. So we replaced the entire thing, put new connections inside, and calibrate the grinder as close to the same setting that we have for our Lily Bianca. And you can see grinding perfectly. Nice consistent grind coming out through here. Okay, perfect. That way you can see it better. Nice consistency. Grinding good. So there you have it. Eureka Silenzio working once again and ready to grind. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.